We're actually very excited to be here. We just flew from Bulgaria. Our suitcases are in the hallway. And we're happy to be able to demo you an internal product that we've been working on. It's called iSignage. Basically, this is a digital signage content management software, which means it allows you to easily and efficiently upload media, create playlists, and then assign them to stations. These stations can be any digital screens. It can be an iPad. It can be a video wall. It can be an old TV. The idea behind it is that in our business, we work with a lot of screens. So we provide digital signage solutions for a lot of different clients. And one thing people don't think about is that when you have the hardware, it doesn't necessarily come with the software. And if you want to use it efficiently, you need to display great content, whether this is a retail outlet, it can be a kebab shop, it can be a bank, it can be an educational institution. So wherever you have digital screens, you want to put good content on it. And this is what iSignage is supposed to provide. The main advantage is, because there are a lot of different such software solutions that exist, the main advantages of our platform is that first, it's very intuitive and easy to use. I will demonstrate this in a second. Another thing is that it doesn't require any expensive hardware to work. So you don't need any players, or it is actually quite efficient and affordable to use. And we provide flexible packages as well in terms of payment. This is our beta version. Also, the other great thing is that it's all controlled from the same centralized platform. You can add as many users, and you can control 1 or 10 or 100 screens from the same place. So right now, I'm going to demonstrate to you how, for example, if you have a burger joint, you can create a digital menu if you have a spare screen to display there, and that it only takes a few minutes using iSignage. So this is our website. First, you would need to create an account, but now I'm just going to sign up into an account we already set up for sake of for sake of simplicity. So this is how our dashboard looks like. Here, as you can see, it's quite user-friendly. That's what we were trying to do, to make it very intuitive. We have quick links to creating new playlists, organizing your media, add your stations, activity feed where you can see what all the users who are using the same account are doing, what storage you're using on our server. It's all run from the cloud, and how many stations you're using. We also have this help center here that when you're a first-time user, will display a very useful general tour. So it will just guide you through the steps that you need to take in order to create your first playlist. I'm going to go ahead and show you how we can create a playlist. So if we just go to start, we can choose a name, burger, menu. Woohoo. Okay. So here in the preview, basically, you can first choose a layout. So it's all kind of like very easy to use. Right now, we only have these three layouts, so you can choose how your data is going to be arranged. But we will have more in the future. So I will start with 3 columns. OK, so first, what do I want here? I've already uploaded a few files, but you can do that from the library. So you can upload any picture or video files or PDFs at the moment. So for example, on the left side of the screen, I want to show my menu. And then I can adjust its duration. From here, I want it to run for 10 seconds. And then on the left side of this layout, I want to have a juicy burger, just to make my customers feel hungry. And then on the bottom there, I can add, for example, an offer or discount. So I'm going to use this image here. OK, so I'm sick of this layout, and I want to do another layout. So I'm going to go here and try this one with the 2 columns. I want to display some more offers, show what else I have for my customers. So again, I want to have my menu on the left, but then I want to maybe have display for a whole 30 seconds. And on the right side now, I want to try a few different things. So I want to show that we have this burger and Coke thing. And then I want it to change to a different picture while the left side stays the same. I'll put this one here. And why not have this juicy burger on the side? And let's try the third layout. I'm going to have my full screen here and add this on. OK, so now I'm happy with my playlist. this is ready to go. I need to save it. And then I want to assign it to a station. Now, the way it works is we have the second screen here. I know it's probably, you'll be able to see the main part. How this works is, on my second screen, this can be an iPad or a laptop or like a TV or a video or whatever. It needs to be able to connect to the internet and to go on Chrome, and it goes to this, our unique URL that connects to our server. And it would generate a unique PIN number, which in this case is 3965. All I need to do, after I have created my playlist, is to go to Assign Stations. Actually, I will have to first add my station, authorize it, enter that PIN number. What was it? 3965. 3965. Now the server will, I need to give it the name, don't pitch me, bro. And I need to choose my playlist, which is the burger menu. Save. Now the server is going to connect with my screen and start uploading the media there. The good thing is that iSignage actually automatically optimizes the media based on the resolution of the screen that we're using. So it should be able to recognize what type of screen it is and to display the media in the best way possible. So right now I'm just waiting for it to connect, and hopefully it will start displaying my playlist in there, which, ta-da! So that's my menu, and we have our burger. So now you will see all the layouts changing. The idea for iSignage is that it is versatile. It can be used both in corporate environments and also for home users. It's very easy to use, as I said. There's a lot of platforms that are much more complicated and not that user-friendly. And it's actually a byproduct of our own doings and services that we're taking to market. It's part of a modular platform, Code Twisted, that will have different modules with different functionalities that will be able to mix and match. And iSignage is the first one of those. So it would be very helpful for us if you could give us your feedback, tell us how and why it could be valuable and where we could market it. We have some ideas, but it will be great to hear what you think. And thank you very much for listening.
I've handed the mic over to Bruno, so hands up who's got the first question or bit of feedback. Everyone's done.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
I think it's a very good idea. Have you got like an Apple TV app maybe or something like that where it could be quite simple for somebody to... So let's say with the kebab shop owner who's got very little technical experience, is he able just to plug something into the HDMI port of his TV and get it working straight away?
Well, that's the idea, that it would be easy to use, but actually we have a person here who would be...
So the app is completely HTML5 and we've tried to optimize it to work on Raspberry Pis. So it actually goes really small PCs and runs on different operating systems and platforms. So wherever you like to put it, I think it's
great. Okay. And have you thought about maybe offering like a starter package for the kebab shop owner so he could say, this is everything you need in one box that will get you up and running?
Just put it in beta. We actually don't have anyone using it at all as well. So I think eventually as we build an interest, we'll figure out how to package it and put it out there.
Great. I think the interface looks really good, like the timeline and all that looks really,
thank you.
really good.
That's good.
Have you thought about doing live streaming at all?
Live streaming? Yeah, that's one of our future features.
Yeah, I think that would be really good for like maybe sports as well as
yeah,
shops
definitely.
and things.
Yeah. Can you upload also videos?
Yes, you can. Yeah. I might have a video on there.
Because we don't know how the bandwidth is going to be, but it encodes them in real time.
Okay, so you will do
all the
the...
HTML5 formats that are available and also resizes them based on the screen size.
So you load, I mean, will it work with the layout? You will have a video running on the left, another one on the right, and one on the bottom?
Yeah. We could actually...
Oh, we actually, I think we do. I'm not sure if we have time. Yeah.
I could play it in the preview section itself.
I like the dashboard, it's quite clean and easy to use in my opinion.
You can keep asking questions. I'm just going to see if I can find the video on here.
You say you've, this is a brilliantly engineered product, but you say you haven't got any potential customers yet. Is that true?
Well, we haven't. Well, actually, we just launched the website yesterday.
Okay.
And we have some of our clients have been using a version of this software already, but we haven't. We're just on the verge of starting to market it to end customers.
Okay. I'm surprised that you've put so much effort in without the customers, but definitely pitch this as much as you can, because I think there's a lot of demand from people in signage, because it's so easy to use as well. And if you get the product right and the packaging and figure out what the biggest value proposition is to them, and if it is, have a screen marketing for you with just a box and 10 minutes, then you'll probably find a lot of interest. But I'd definitely say don't do any more work, just pitch it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Hi, I'm a potential. Do I think?
I want to see if
Do I
it's
have to,
going
I
to
think I
go
have to yell. This doesn't amplify, so I'm gonna have to yell, but they're gonna. Okay, fine, cool. Okay, hi, I'm a potential customer.
Oh.
Yeah, we've got a lot of displays at airports. The main problem we have at the moment, and the reason I don't know anything about these sort of products, is the fact that our devices aren't connected to the internet. Potential suggestion, I haven't researched this area at all, is possibly provide some sort of solution there, because we've got so many devices and they've got the ability to connect to the internet, but we haven't had any solution so far that can do that. So yeah, that's a suggestion rather than a question. Actually, sorry, no, I did have a question. How does this stand out from, this is my research starting, how does this stand out from competition? And what other products are there out like this? Because for us, I've got a content management team that could very easily obviously use this. Is that the key piece that stands you out from the competitors?
As I said, I think.
I think mainly the user interface. That's what we've spent
very
most
user friendly.
Time trying to fix, perfect, study a lot of different tools and prepare them so that prepare this interface so that it's always 3 to 4 clicks to wherever you want to get.
And also,
optimize using that energy.
Also, it's really good because you actually manage all your screens. You can either you can have separate playlists and send, say, 1 to 10 screens, and then another one to another 5 screens, and a third one to 1 screen. You'll be able to schedule it as well. And also, I'm sure there's ways you can connect to the internet as well. And then even if you're disconnected from the internet, once the playlist has been uploaded, it will just carry on looping. It's not gonna stop and freeze, etc.
And the server can be put in an offline environment as well.
Yeah.
So if it's a closed network, then we can set it up separately for the closed network to run inside.
And we're very friendly and supportive as well. But I'm not pitching.
Do you guys have a yellow box that I can just tap?
Come talk to us afterwards. We can collaborate. Yeah. Thank you very much, everybody.